Wow, Vihaan, what are you making? Are you making a popsicle? Are you making your ice cream? Yes? Yes, are you making an ice cream? Do you know how to make it? Do you know how to make it? How would you make it? We will make it with the fruits. Do you want to eat fruit ice cream? Yes? Say yes. Where are the fruits behind you? These are the fruits. We're gonna be making ice cream with the fruit. So cool, right? What is that? It's a blueberry. It's a peach. These are peaches. Strawberry. Mango. Wow. What color is that behind? What color is this? This is black color. Black color. What color are these peaches? These are yellow. Yellow color. These are strawberries. Red color. Red. These are mango. Mangoes are yellow color. Wow. What we will do? We will put them in the grinder. Here's the grinder. We'll put them in the grinder. We'll shake it, mix it, and then we'll put the puree in these. And then we will freeze them. Okay? We will freeze them. This is the top of the grinder. This is the blade. That's the blade. So when we put blueberry in this cup and we run the grinder, this blade will make a... Yeah.
Mama. Mama is here. Mama. Okay, mixie.
It's okay behind. It's just a mixie.
Mama.
It's all right behind you. Chalo. Let's put blueberry in this. Let's put blueberry.
इसका spoon दे दो.
Yeah.
Mama. It's okay, Vihaan. Mama is here.
Vihaan, do you want to put blueberries? This is Vihanu's spoon. Okay, put blueberries in here.
Yeah. We will make ice cream. Do you want to make ice cream? Yeah, then you have to put it here. Then you will make ice cream. Blueberry ice cream. You want blueberry ice cream?
Come on, fast.
Yeah, do it fast. खा ले blueberry है.
Okay.
ठंडी है.
Okay.
Good job.
Come on, fast.
डाल. बड़ा अच्छा लगता है. बंदी शाह. Uh-oh. Can you say uh-oh? Uh-oh. डालो पहले ब्लूबेरी डालो.
Put all of them behind fast.
सारी डाल दो.
Sorry, Daldo. Put all of them.
Yes. Good boy. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Can you say uh-oh? Can you say uh-oh? पापा को बोल के दिखाओ. ओए डंडी है. निकालो. Push, pull. Yeah, good job. Good job यार. बड़ा सियाना है यार तू तो. निकाली है डंडी भाई. साफ चीजें डालो. यानी तो बड़ा इंटेलिजेंट बेबी है. स्मार्टी. Yeah. What are you making? Ice cream.
Apple.
Blueberry. How do you say blueberry?
Can you say blueberry? No. Finish it.
Finish.
Yeah.
All of it.
Bas. Chalo, Papa grind karo.
Now?
Now Papa will make mixie grind.
We will put
Mama
some
is here.
water.
Stay here. Mama is here.
We'll take this.
जरूरत है इसकी थोड़ा सा ही डालना
हल्का सा. So we'll put a little bit of water.
बस.
That's it. And then we will close this.
It's okay. Mama is here. Mama is here. It's okay.
It's okay. So we'll put this. Yeah, done. Done. Wow, Vihanu. Look at that.
Sit here.
Look at that.
Wow.
Wow, it's a puree.
Blueberry
Wow. Now what we will
Hold
do,
it.
we will put this in the popsicle. So we will put this in here. Good job.
Yay.
Good job. We're gonna take strawberries. Can you put strawberries? Good job. Behind you putting strawberries.
Strawberries.
Strawberries behind.
Not the yellow one.
Strawberries. 1 second. This is mango, so we'll put strawberries.
Good job, Inna. It's okay. डालो आप पे डालो pick it up. Good boy. Good boy. ये वीडियो अच्छी हो रही है इसकी. ये चलो और डालो.
Finish it, finish it.
Finish करो. डालो yes. और डाल दे. अच्छा.
Now we will put this.
Alright.
Wow, Vihanu, look at the puree.
Like it? You like it? Yeah. Yes. Say yes. Yes. You love it. Slowly. Good job.
Done. इसका हुआ नहीं अभी पीस पूरा. Good job. Clap. We will put some water.
Wow, are you having fun, Vihaan?
Now Vihanu, we will grind it. Okay, done.
I think
Wow, Vihaan. Awesome.
Look at Papa. ऐसे करो. Ha ha ha. Okay.
Vihaan,
Where is
look at Papa.
Yeah.
Vihaan, look at Papa.
Look at Papa. Look at Papa. Look at Papa. Hi, Papa. Okay, we get two camera. 1, 2, 1, 2. Anu, do you want ice cream? What did he?
Vihaan, what do you want? Do you want it? Okay, so 1 second. Can you pull it? Yay!
Wow.
Wow! Vihaan,
Ice cream break कर दो.
ice cream. Do you want to break it?
Ooh, toot
Ice cream.
toot. Wow, अरे मेरा बच्चा. हटना थोड़ी सी इसके बनाओ. Do you like it, Vihaan? Show me how you eat ice cream. Wow, do you like it?
This is ice, Vihaan. Ice.
Ice.
Look at me.
Blueberry. This is blueberry ice cream. Blueberry ice cream.